All right, so Instagram just announced their new series option in IGTV where you can organize your IGTV videos into series, which is really cool. I did some organizing myself today. So if you want to head over to Simple Life Social on Instagram and check out my IGTV, you can see related videos within a simple series like captions or influencer marketing, or social media tips. I think I organized them in. But I wanted to talk today about some really easy ways that you could use this new tool for destination marketing or marketing your tourism business. One way that came to mind was through influencer marketing. So to try and drag out the return on investment that you put into influencer marketing could be a way of creating a series on IGTV. So it's great to have influencers create posts that you can use in your feed, but if it's just a static picture, it won't last as long or have as long of life as, or further reach, as far reach, as a video. And a video will last even longer if it's put into IGTV. So if you had an influencer come and do a campaign where it was strictly only about vertical video for IGTV, I think it would be a great way of, saying to them, okay, I want you to create one episode per day of your stay with us. And, if they're there for a weekend, a 3-day weekend or something, then you have 3 episodes within the series. The great thing about this series is that once a follower finishes one of the videos in that series, Instagram or IGTV automatically suggests the next videos in the series. So it's a great way to keep them in your content rather than allowing IGTV to suggest someone else's content and have them go down that rabbit hole. So just some thoughts for today. Let me know if you're even using IGTV because I think it's a great tool that is extremely underutilized.